Hi everyone, I am Uju and I'm in the city of Abuja with one of the crypto gurus in the space, 𝗘𝗍𝗱𝗏𝗏. 𝗘𝗍𝗱𝗏𝗏, why should people trust Bybit?
When you come into crypto, number one risk is platform risk. And when we talk about platform risk, is platform not being sincere. So if you just jump into different exchanges, there is a high probability that you will jump into the wrong one. So Bybit is the second largest exchange, crypto exchange, centralized exchange in the whole world, and they are very transparent. Okay, and recently Bybit launched a product called the Bybit listing billboard. And what that does is it allows projects before they get listed on Bybit, right? It allows them to give out an open disclosure. They can give you like a rundown data of what the project is all about. Okay. It will help you to understand their development status. And then this is helping to build confidence for the users on Bybit platform. So if you're an investor, before you invest in any project, you want to know the details about that project.
Yes.
And the first project that was listed on this Bybit listing billboard is 𝗘𝗍𝗀𝗃𝗀. There's a token called 𝗘𝗍𝗀, that is SOSO. There's an open data or open disclosure about that particular project. And because it was the first project on the Bybit listing billboard program, it actually did very well. And I want to show you what the data looks like. So if I bring up my laptop, let me just walk you through it so that you see what I'm saying. So if you want to trust, if you want a platform that your money will be safe with, okay, number one is Bybit. Trust Bybit with that, right? Trust Bybit with that. I cannot overemphasize this. Okay, when you start using Bybit, aside the fact that it is user friendly, aside that, there are other reasons why you want to trust them, because just imagine you're having like $2 million on that platform, and then it is a platform that will just wake up one day and vanish. It's not worth it, right?
Yes.
Now, with this listing billboard program, it allows you to be selective in the kind of token you buy. So you don't just buy random tokens because you don't have an idea of what the project is all about, right?
Yeah.
So let me just walk you through the data, how it looks like. So what you're seeing on my screen right now is an example of what the data disclosure that Bybit requires from project through the listing billboard program on their platform looks like before the project actually is made public, right? And this is the disclosure from the social value project. And the social value project is actually the first project to go through the Bybit listing billboard program. Okay, and with this you can get a clearer understanding of what this project is all about, right? So you can scan through and see what this project is all about. You can equally look at the audit, all right, from the company that audited this particular project and all of that, right? They have listed all of the companies that audited them right here. Okay, so this will create a better understanding and help you as an investor to get a better understanding of the project's development status. So data like this, like what you're looking at on my screen right now, okay, will help provide you with important decision-making support, helping you to feel more confident and more informed about the project you're about to invest into, right? So with this right now, I get a clearer understanding and I'll know if this project is something that I will buy and hold for a long time, okay, or it's just something I will just ignore and look for a better project, right? So this is what Bybit is doing. So Bybit is setting a new industry standard requiring projects to actually disclose essential listing data, driving greater transparency in the crypto market. And I hope that other exchanges will start emulating this very soon. So this is one of the reasons, right? These are the efforts, okay? These are the effort that Bybit is putting in to help protect us as their users, to help protect us as investors in this space. Right? So with this right here, I get a clearer understanding of a particular project that I want to go and invest in and all of that. If you check some of your portfolio right now because you were buying tokens randomly without getting a better understanding or breakdown of things that the projects are into or what they are actually want to achieve and all of that, without getting a better understanding, you just jump into some of this project, and because of that, some of your portfolio are down by over 90%, some 80%, and all of that, right? So when you get a better understanding of a particular project through the Bybit listing billboard program, you be more confident to say, okay, this is the project I want to invest in or I will just ignore this project and pass. So just to re-emphasize, right, the Bybit listing billboard program actually helps to enhance transparency, because with data like this, the project you are investing in are actually giving you a breakdown of all they are doing. You get a better understanding of what they are doing. Then you can then decide to see if it is something you can invest in. Okay. And with this kind of transparency, it has to provide you as the user of the platform, as the user of the exchange, okay, to be more enlightened, right? To get a clearer understanding of that particular project that you want to invest in. And guess what, guys? When this particular project, the social value, got listed, since it was the first to go through the Bybit listing billboard program, okay, this actually, with this data, because it was made public, a lot of people came to, actually get a better understanding of the project. It actually helped the price of the social token, okay, to surge by 80%, and actually help the volume for that particular project to increase by more than 300%. Okay, that is because a lot of people actually came to get a better understanding of this. All right, and one thing I can do right now going forward, which is why you need to subscribe to the channel, is whenever a project goes through the Bybit listing billboard program, we'll make the data public for you. Okay, I'm going to be making videos about such project, and then I will let you know so that you too can go ahead and look at this data, because a lot of you don't get all of these updates, right? So through the channel like this, we'll let you, always alert you and say, oh, there is a particular project going through the Bybit listing billboard program. This is the data that they have released, and this is what they are saying. So you can go and look at the project, you can go and look at the data and say, okay, this project, I actually, whatever they are doing or whatever they are working on actually resonate with me. So I will buy this project, I will hold it for a long term, or I will just pass, right? So be on alert and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, so that whenever projects like this, or whenever I publish any related videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And to be more active, you can join us on Telegram. The link to my Telegram community will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that details. Okay, so Uju, this is why I actually like Bybit, because of the transparency and the way they keep trying every day to make sure that the data, the money, okay, whatever we have on their platform is actually backed 1-to-1, right? So that if anything happens, you can still get back your money in full, right? So if you don't have a Bybit account, the link to join Bybit will be in the video description. Join Bybit Exchange and trust Bybit. And moreover, there are a whole lot of other features. It's not just for trading alone. There are a whole lot of other features that you can leverage on the Bybit platform and be safe. Use Bybit as your crypto banking platform. All right, use it to save your money, use it to get loans, use it. You can use Bybit to do anything you want, right? I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, bye. Make sure you give the video a like, and don't forget to leave a nice comment below. I'll see you in my next video.